Good morning, grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. Hope you all are doing great today, and I hope all the concepts we learned in chapter 3 are clear to you. Now, we'll have a revision session. Today we will discuss the questions from the revision time exercise in your textbook. So all of you please turn to page number 46 in your textbook. Got the page? Let's look at the first question. So the first question says, list all the factors of 40. So we learned what are factors of a number. A factor of a given number means a number that can divide the given number completely. That means a number that can divide a given number exactly without any remainder. So here you are asked to find out the factors of the number 40. So which are the numbers that we can multiply to get the number 40? 40 can be 1 into 40, 2 into 20, 4 into 10 or 5 into 8. So these are the numbers which can be multiplied to get the number 40. Or you can say these are the numbers which can divide the number 40 completely without any remainder. So which are the factors of number 40? The factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. So in your notebook, you can write down the question as well as its answer. You have to write factors of 40 are, then you have to list out the factors. So the next question is to list all the multiples of 7 between 90 and 125. So what is multiple of a number? Multiples of a number are the numbers that we get by multiplying the given number by another number. So here you are asked to find out the multiples of 7 that lie between 90 and 125. So we have already learned 7 tens are 70. Now what about 7 11s? 7 11s are 77, 7 12s are 84, 7 13s are 91 and so on. So here you are asked to list out the multiples of 7 which lie in the range 90 and 125. That is, you have to list out the multiples of 7 between 90 and 125. So which are those multiples? See, 7 13s are 91, 7 14s are 98, 7 15s are 105 and so on. And when you do 7 17s, you get 119. You can check out what 7 18s are and you have to list out the multiples of 7 as specified in the question. So is this clear to you? Shall we move on to the next question? Question number 3 says, find the difference between the largest 2-digit prime number and the smallest composite number. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which have got only 2 factors, that is the number itself and the number 1. Now what about composite numbers? Composite numbers have got more than 2 factors. The number itself and the number 1 will be factors, and there may be other numbers which are factors of the given composite number. So here you are asked to find the difference between the largest 2-digit prime number and the smallest composite number. So which is the largest 2-digit prime number? Which is the smallest one? 2 is the smallest prime number and it is the only even prime number. Now, which is the largest 2-digit prime number? It is 97. Now, which is the smallest composite number? It is equal to 4. 4 has got the factors 1, 2 and 4. So the smallest composite number is 4. So when you find the difference, you have to find the difference between 97 and 4. You can write down the answer in your notebook. Now, let's see the fourth question. Check whether the following numbers are divisible by 6 or not. So how do you check if a given number is divisible by 6? For a number to be divisible by 6, it has to be divisible by both 2 and 3. Now how do you check the divisibility by 2? All even numbers are divisible by 2. So the numbers ending in the digit either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 these numbers will be divisible by 2. Now how do you check the divisibility by 3? You need to take the sum of the digits of the given number. If that sum is a multiple of 3, then the given number will be divisible by 3. So let's take the first question. Question A, 37,875. Is this an even number? No, the ending digit or the ones digit is an odd digit, so it is not an even number. So is it divisible by 2? No, it is not divisible by 2. Now, if you take the sum 3 plus 7 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5, you get the number 30, which is a multiple of 3. So since the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, the given number will be divisible by 3. So will it be divisible by 6? No, it is only divisible by 3. So the given number 37,875 is not divisible by 6. Now check the divisibility by 6 for the other question also. Let's discuss the fifth question now. It says find the missing digit in the number 17-614 given that the number is divisible by 11. So for a number to be divisible by 11, what is the condition? The difference between the sum of the alternate digits must be either 0 or 11. So let's apply that rule here. So by the divisibility rule for 11, the sum of the alternate digits, that is 1 plus dash plus 1, that is equal to 2 plus dash. Now the next set of alternate digits, those are 7 plus 6 plus 4, and that equals 17. So when you take the difference, it becomes 17 minus within brackets this 2 plus dash. So we know the difference has to be either 0 or 17. So if the difference has to be 0, this part should be 17. That means 17 minus 2 plus 15. Because 2 plus 15 equals 17, then 17 minus 17 becomes 0. But there is only one digit missing. So we cannot use 15 here. So what is the next possibility? The difference should be 11. So for the difference to be 11, what is the digit that we should write here? What will give 11 as the difference? It should be 17 minus, we have 2 here, 17 minus 2 is 15. So what number should be subtracted from 15 to get 11? 4, right? So what should come here? If this is 4, then this sum becomes 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. So that the difference becomes 17 minus 6, which is equal to 11. So what is the digit that we should use in the place of dash? We should use the digit 4. Now you can recheck the condition for divisibility by 11 and verify your answer. Hope this is clear to you. Now let's discuss the next question. Question number 6. It says find out which is bigger. So we learned the odd mass and also the broad mass, which tells you the order that you need to follow while performing different mathematical operations within the same mathematical statement. So by applying these rules, let's evaluate these two mathematical statements and find out which is bigger in value. So the first mathematical statement given here is 3 plus 3 minus 5 into 15 minus 5 into 10 minus 99. So we know that whatever is given within the brackets has to be evaluated first. So look at this part. Here we have got addition and subtraction within the same brackets. So which one has to be performed first? According to the odd mass or the broad mass, we know addition has to be done before subtraction. So first we add 3 plus 3 gives you 6, then minus 5. Then we are going to solve the next set of brackets. 15 minus 5, that is equal to 10 into 10 minus 99. Now solving here, 6 minus 5, we get 1. 1 into this 10 into 10 minus 99. Now we have got multiplication and subtraction. Which one has to be performed first? multiplication has to be done before subtraction. So 1 into 10 into 10, that is equal to 100 minus 99, that is equal to 1. So what is the value of this mathematical statement? It is equal to 1. So now let's see the next statement. It is 15 into 2 divided by 3 plus 15 into 2 divided by 10 minus 15 into 2 divided by 6. So evaluating the operations given within the brackets first. 15 into 2 equal to 30, divide by this 3, then this plus, then 15 into 2 30, divide by this 10 minus 15 into 2 equal to 30, divide by the 6. So right now we have got division, addition and subtraction within the same statement. So following the odd-mass rule, we have to perform the division part first. So it goes 30 divided by 3 equal to 10. This plus 30 divided by 10, that is equal to 3. This minus 30 divided by 6, that equals 5. Now we have got addition and subtraction within the same statement. So addition has to be done before subtraction. So 10 plus 3, 13 minus 5, and that gives you 8. So right now we evaluated both the statements. The first statement gave the value equal to 1. The second statement gave the value equal to 8. So which one is bigger? You may note it down in your notebook. Now the next question, find whether 5,39,640 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10 or not without actual division. So we learned the divisibility rules or the tests of divisibility. Why do we need them? To check if a given number is divisible by another number without actually dividing it. So follow the test for divisibility and find out whether the given number is divisible by the set of divisors given. So I hope this is clear to you. Now let's see the next question. Using the divisibility test, check which of the following numbers is divisible by 9 and 11. So we learned the divisibility rule for 9. What was it? We have to take the sum of the digits of the given number, see if that sum is a multiple of 9. If it is, then the given number will be divisible by 9. So if you take the first number, the sum of the digits is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 7 plus 9. Find out the sum, check if it is a multiple of 9. If yes, then you can write this given number is divisible by 9. And we already discussed the divisibility rule by 11. Check the divisibility by 11 and you may note down your answer. So do the same for the next question also. Now we'll proceed to the next question. It says evaluate the following and you have got two questions there. Let's discuss question B now. So question B is 3 of 7 plus 5, that is within the brackets, minus in brackets again 80 divided by 2 into 2. So according to the odd-mass rule, the order of operation that has to be followed is brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So whatever is given within the brackets has to be done first, then comes off, after that division, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. So here we need to perform what is given within the bracket first. So here it says 3 of 7 plus 5. So it says 3 of 7. When you say of, it means you have to multiply. So of has to be done first. So 3 of 7 is equal to 3 into 7 plus 5 minus, here within the brackets you have got 18 divided by 2 into 2. Division and multiplication. Division has to be done first. Hence 18 divided by 2 equals 9. That into 2. Now we have got multiplication and addition. Multiplication has to be done first. So 3 into 7, 21 plus 5 minus 9 into 2 is 18. Now here 21 plus 5 equals 26 minus 18, which gives you a value equal to 8. So this is the value of this mathematical statement given. So evaluate the other statement also and find out the answer and write in your notebook. So I hope this is clear to you. We'll see the next question. Simplify the following. Here also you have got two mathematical statements. We'll discuss the statement B. So in statement B, you have got 10 minus within square brackets 30 divided by within curly brackets 6 plus 8 minus 7 minus 3, and you have got simple brackets here and a line bracket here. Then the curly bracket and the square bracket also closes. So when we learned the BODMAS rule, we have learned when different types of brackets are used within the same mathematical statement, the order to be followed is first you have to evaluate the line bracket, the operation given under line bracket. Then you have to go for simple brackets. After that, the curly brackets, and finally the square brackets. So we have got all the 4 types of brackets here. You see the overline here, what is given under it has to be considered as a group. So it has to be evaluated first. So we can write the given statement as 10 minus 30 divided by 6 plus 8 minus, we have to do 7 minus 3 first. What is it? It is equal to 4. Now that becomes equal to 10 minus 30 plus 6 plus 4. Here we have within the simple brackets 8 minus 4. So that is equal to 4, we have written here. Now this becomes equal to 10 minus 30 divided by 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Now that becomes equal to 10 minus 30 divided by 10 equals 3. Now what is 10 minus 3? This is equal to 7. So what is the value of the statement? It is equal to 7. So I hope this is clear to you. Now you have to evaluate the other statement also given under question number 10. So I hope all the questions we discussed today are clear to you. You have to write down the answers in your notebook. Now you have a homework. You have to revise all the concepts we learned in this chapter once again, then complete the revision time exercise, and also there is a multiple choice questions exercise given after the revision time exercise. Please go through that as well, and you may mark the answers here in the textbook itself. Then you can take a picture and send this to teams. So that's all for today, children. We'll meet in the next class with a new chapter. Till then, bye.